where is, in Finnish.
Missä on?
Welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to unlock your travel superpower? When your map app panics, you won't, because your magic phrase is
Missä on?
which means, where is. Imagine a giant button on your phone labeled
Missä on?
Tap it with your voice and watch doors open. Your goal today. You'll learn to ask for places clearly, politely, and with a smile. Core phrase.
Missä on?
Equals, where is. Compare. Where, alone is.
Missä?
But add.
On.
Is, to ask about a specific thing.
Missä on hotelli?
Equals, where is the hotel? Pro tip. Don't confuse Finnish.
On.
Is with English, on, the preposition. Say it with rhythm. Let's make it musical so it sticks in your memory. Chant with me.
Missä on?
3 rising beats. Add your target word.
Missä on vessa?
Eyebrows up, palms up, tiny shrug. Your body says, question, while your voice says.
Missä on?
Mini dialogues. Time for fast, friendly street chats. You speak, they point. You.
Anteeksi, missä on?
The.
Rautatieasema.
Local. Straight ahead, then left. You.
Anteeksi, missä on vessa?
Barista. Downstairs, next to the door. You.
Missä on hotelli?
Taxi driver. Hop in, I'll take you. You. Checking a map stand.
Missä on kartta?
Clerk. Right here, free city maps. Quick drills. Speak out loud, own the phrase and swap the last word. Say, where is the restroom? You.
Missä on vessa?
Say, where is the train station? You.
Missä on rautatieasema?
Say, where is the hotel? You.
Missä on hotelli?
Say, where is the map? You.
Missä on kartta?
Bonus polite opener. Start with
Anteeksi,
excuse me before your question. Culture tip. A tiny tweak makes you sound extra kind. Finns appreciate clear, calm questions. Add
anteeksi,
first in
kiitos.
at the end. Example.
Anteeksi, missä on vessa? Kiitos.
Remember.
On.
Means, is, in Finnish. Palms up gesture and a friendly tone help as much as words. Street challenge. Ready for a playful mission? Imagine you're chilly, a breeze in your scarf, feet a bit tired. You spot a cafe scent, cinnamon. You ask.
Missä on vessa?
They point downstairs, and you reward yourself with a sweet.
Korvapuusti.
If all else fails, smile and say.
Tarvitsen apua. Missä on hotelli?
I need help. Where is the hotel? Quiz time. Answer out loud. I'll give you a beat to think. 1. How do you say, where is, in Finnish? Answer.
Missä on?
2. Ask for the station. You.
Missä on rautatieasema?
3. You want a map. You.
Missä on kartta?
4. Polite version before your question. Say.
Anteeksi.
Thanks and next steps. You nailed it, high five. Your compass phrase is locked in.
Missä on?
Use it everywhere, museum, station, hotel, restroom. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing daily, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more fun lessons, tools, and travel phrases from Synapse Lingo. Hey, and see you next time.